What's poppin'? Mayhem Goddess Gang. I'm pretty sure today you're like, what are you doing today? I'm pretty sure you've seen the title down below. We are going to be making our own highlighters. I made two and I felt compelled to make these with you. So the items that you will need is some suspending liquid. This is purchased off of TKB Trading. I've actually had it for a while, but you know, with the government and shutdown and crap, you know, a girl gotta do what she gotta do. So you're gonna be needing this. You're gonna be needing some beads, a bottle to put your bead inside here so that you can mix around your product. And you are going to need some mica. The two that I'm using is called Scarlet O'Hara, and it's this pinkish purple color, and I'm going to mix it with Golden Shift. You're going to need a half teaspoon. You're going to need a little small whisk. Isn't this so cute? 1 tablespoon and a mixing bowl. So now that we got all that done, let's get it popping. So FYI, before you start doing this, you want to get a nice surface that you can work at, because when you're mixing up any of your own products, it will get quite messy. So I'm going to be taking one of these little silver balls to put into my bottle. They look like this. I hope you guys can see that. Look like that. And you can place 1 to 2 in there. I'm only going to be placing 1 inside the bottle. Put those on the side. Place this up here. And this is just a towel that I have, you know, laying around that is clean. It's clean towel. Don't come for me. But I like this towel because it's going to keep my beads in the place, because I've already lost 2. So you want something where things can grab onto and you can wash it later. So now that I got that prepared, let me go ahead and get myself organized, because I feel quite discombobulated right now. Now in this bowl, I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of the suspending liquid, and this is just going to mix our highlighter together. So this is 2 tablespoons right here into the bowl. Let it drip some. We got that all done. I'm going to be taking a half teaspoon. What did I say at the beginning of the video? Did I say a whole teaspoon? I lied. You're going to take a half teaspoon of whatever color that you want. It does not matter. Just don't use a matte color because it won't turn into anything. Of Scarlet O'Hara, and I'm going to place that into the bowl, and then I'm going to take the same half teaspoon of Golden Shift, and I don't even know if you guys can see the gold shift in it, and I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon of that, and I'm going to place it in there. And now we're going to take our cute little miniature whisk, and then we're going to mix it all together. That we have this all mixed up, we are going to squeeze this, because this is a silicone bowl. Squeeze this silicone bowl and slowly pour it into this bottle with our bead. And this is safe to use on your eyes, your face, and your lips. You are done pouring that in there, we could place the cap on and give it a good shake. This fills up the 2 tablespoons of the suspending liquid goes all the way up to about right here on the bottle. So you have enough space to put the applicator in and it won't overspill. So we're gonna give it a good shake. So here are my 3 colors right here. These 2 I made early on, and this is the one that we just made. So let's go ahead and swatch the one that we just made. Here's the dropper. Let's give it a drop on the hand. Get in frame. So, what do you guys think? It's got a pink, kind of turquoisey color. Yeah, that's that one. Now, let me clean off my finger and then we'll swatch the other 2. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. These are the swatches. So which color is your favorite color? And what would you name all 3 of these? We've got like a little fluorescent purple color, straight up gold. And then we've got a little pink gold, which I think it's uber cute. I will be wearing these in my next video, so you guys make sure you hit that subscribe button and be aware and hit the bell notification and all the notifications and all the bells and stuff and whistles and stuff down there, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see when I wear this highlighter. So you let me know down below which one is your favorite and what you would name it. And until next time, it's been me, your girl, Mayhembeauty, and I will see you in the next video.